Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Another Eden Global error code 1000. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to log in to the game. Many players have shared that they get this error on both Wi-Fi and mobile data, and they are unable to access the game. According to our research, the error is specific to certain Android versions and is the result of a game bug. The developers have already confirmed that they are investigating and working on a fix. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close the game and restart your device. Then check if you need to update the game. If there are any new updates, install them and check for the error. If the error still comes and there are no new updates, then try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. Once reinstalled, check for the error again. At last, if the error still persists, then try playing the game on a PC emulator like BlueStacks until the developers release an official fix. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.